Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you the ZTE Open, the first smartphone with Firefox OS, released in 2013. That was one of the worst cell phones I had, like the Nokia 8110 4G, which works also with Firefox OS, now called Kai OS. Okay, so let's take a look what includes at the box. Firefox. It's a modified Android, okay. Like Kai OS, there is the phone. And the box, what includes? The charger with USB. The cable, micro USB for transfer data or charge the phone, some headphones, and the manual and warranty from the phone. Okay. ZTE Open, the first smartphone with Firefox OS. Really slow, with 500 megabytes of ROM, 200 megabytes of RAM. It works 1 GHz, 1 core processor, Snapdragon, modified Android like Firefox OS, now called Kai OS, like in the Nokia 8110 from 2018, 4G, and it's really similar to the iPhone or iPod. It has 3.5 inches display, and let's take a look. You may think that there is the earpiece and back is the speaker. No, there's only one speaker. As you can see, there's only one button, like an iPhone, to go back to the main menu. At the bottom, we found the micro USB port for charging it or transfer data to the computer. You can put in the phone a micro SD card up to 32 gigabytes. At the left side, the volume buttons. At the top, we found the jack 3.5mm for audio output and the turn on off button also unlock the screen, like the iPhone 4S or iPod 4, for example. At the right side, completely nothing. At the back, the speaker, 3.15 megapixel camera, Movistar logo and Firefox OS logo. You also could find the phone in orange color. Let's turn it on. As connectivity, it has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 2.1, GPS with a GPS, radio FM, there you have the lock screen. I will tell you that it's completely like an iPhone. So if we unlock it, we found the main screen with a few widgets or quick access that we can configure, and in that toolbar it says I am thinking at. There you can search everything that your phone has. For example, contacts, notes, games, apps, websites, or what you want, like at the iPhone. If we swipe left, there we found the main menu, like an iPhone. There is the marketplace that nowadays doesn't work anymore, the mail, contacts, calendar, settings, here maps from Nokia, gallery, YouTube, Facebook, Notes, SoundCloud, AccuWeather, music, video, clock, alarms, calculator. I installed time ago 2 games, radio FM and Wikipedia. Okay, that phone was one of the first that worked on HTML5. So the apps are really quick installed, but I don't like that most of the apps you can install on the phone must have internet connectivity to work. So bad point. And let's take a look at the settings. For example, as you can see, the touchscreen isn't really good. There we can find flight mode, GPS, localization, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, share internet, sound settings, screen settings, notifications, the languages. Let's take a look. It's Android, but as you can see, there's no more languages in that firmware. Okay, go back. As you can see, it's like an iPhone, one key and one virtual button for go back. As you can see, free space, it's minus than 100 megabytes for install apps, so you need a micro SD card for take photos and everything. Information about the phone, it only says ZTE Open, Firefox OS, nothing much. And to go back like an iPhone, one button. Okay, and like an iPhone, if we long press, we will find the apps opened. As you can see, calendar and settings. I don't know why calendar, because I turn on the phone now. So if we slide down, like Android, we have Wi-Fi. Let's try YouTube, for example. Take a look how it works. So there is connected YouTube. Let's find one of my videos, for example. Okay, let's take a look at my Nokia collection. Hello guys, welcome to my Nokia cell phone collection. I have more than 100 Nokia cell phones. If you like them, you can see the review of each one at my channel. The video plays at 240p resolution. Okay, that's an example. 200 megabytes of RAM, so you can't expect much more from that phone. I want to show you, for example, the wallpapers you can put. So some wallpapers from the Firefox and some from nature. Okay, let's try this, for example. And your favorite section, the ringtones from the phone. Let's take a look. As you can see, the touchscreen is really slow, like the phone. And it has also really bad ringtones in my opinion. Please comment below what do you think the phone. Please comment below what do you think about the phone, and if you could try. And sure, you can't put your own ringtones at the phone. So there you have the ZTE Open. Please comment below what do you think about it. I think I show you everything that it can show us. Really slow, HTML5 working, modified Android, 200 megabytes of RAM, 500 megabytes of ROM. The marketplace isn't available anymore. So there you lock and unlock like an iPhone or iPod. As you can see, if you slide to the left, it will open the camera, but we have no micro SD card slot. So thanks a lot for watching my videos, and see you soon in my next videos. Bye bye.